Has anyone helped you build a community domination strategy? Has anyone introduced you to what community domination really is? I want to talk about a community domination plan because agents in our office, we're helping them build databases, but with the intent to dominate a community. What does that mean? What that means is after 12 months, owning 20% market share of any given community. And then once you do that, then you can focus on another community, and another community. See, most agents and the industry's not talking about it enough right now. There's a race going on in the industry, and the race is who can build the biggest database in the most engaged database, because the biggest database won't matter if there's no engagement. So it has to be the biggest database and the most engaged database. And companies out there like Zillow, Realtor.com, Ojo, CoStar, you name it, all of those lead companies, what are they doing? They're building big databases and they're nurturing it, trying to get engagement as high as they can. The cool thing is that yes, they're in the race, but we're in the race too. But we have an advantage. We have advantage because we're in these local markets. So our communication and our nurturing campaigns, or the information, the content that we're sending should be superior to those that are broadcasting more on a national level or a state level. We can do this one community at a time, which makes it extremely difficult for those big companies. So we need to first understand that we're in a race. It's called the data race. Who can build the biggest database and get the most engagement? Now, the key to building that database, number one, is you got to focus on it daily. Build it daily. Just like people said to you, you got to lead generate every day. Well, you got to build this database daily. You got to nurture it often. And you got to use multiple channels. So within my Century 21 offices throughout South Carolina, a lot of this stuff is done for my agents, that I'm providing all the CRMs, I'm providing the content, for nurturing these databases, because I know how difficult it is for a solo agent or even a small team to be able to do all these things and continuing to try to run your business. Now you've got to focus on building databases and domination plans and whatnot. Well, that's something that I've taken on as a coach and as a company to do for my agents. When I say build it daily, what I mean by that is you got to get your database or get your data organized. A lot of you say, I don't have a database. Yes, you do. You have a cell phone. So simply get the information out of your phone into your CRM. Also, every time you have a conversation with somebody, make sure you get their information, their email information, put them in your database, and inform them that you're going to be sending them some valuable information every month. You just have to make sure that's part of your process. From a nurturing standpoint, look, 34, 36, 38, 42 touches, those programs, that's not enough. Too many people are actually competing for their attention, your database's attention. It's got to be 60 plus. I have a marketing calendar that's it's a marketing calendar. It's really more of a nurturing calendar. And we have every touch already planned out. We do market reports, quarterly reports, annual reports, videos, all these things that we're sending to the database to make sure that we win the data race. We want to be top of mind for them. And that what I mean by multi-channel is you can't just put it into one CRM. You have to use a few different CRMs, because you never know which CRM, which information is going to resonate with the person that's in that database. One person might like the report you send from one CRM, and another person may like a report from a different CRM. So by having multiple things sent to them at random times during the month, not random, but planned out times, but not on top of each other throughout the month, again, you're going to get the most engagement, the most adoption. And, I always say, if you want to win market share, you got to win mind share. So I've set up these programs to make sure that I get to occupy some space in their mind. And that's what I'm helping my agents do. So if you're interested in building your business, taking more listings, converting your buyers at a faster pace, consider just giving me a call and let me have the opportunity to talk with you and see if I can help you. I have Century 21 offices, as I've said in previous videos, throughout the state of South Carolina. We cover all of South Carolina. We have offices in Wilmington, Greenville, Spartanburg, Bowling Springs, Columbia, South Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina, Conway, North Myrtle Beach, Columbia. If I didn't say Columbia, we're throughout the entire state. We do business in Rock Hill, in Charlotte, and everywhere in between. I'd love to help you. Let's have a conversation. Bye, everybody.